How about today I take you guys to a covered bridge? Believe it or not, it's a covered bridge my wife and I didn't even know existed. Yeah. Now, the funny thing about the covered bridge is I'm not going to be able to pronounce the name. So I'm going to put the name right here above my head. If you're able to pronounce it, you're better than I. We're going to go through with my bigger camera. I'm going to tell you how big it is, the year it was built, and I got to give a warning. Before we go through the covered bridge, there's a lot of graffiti, and some of this graffiti may have some bad words in it. There's your warning now. And if I can, I may try to get the creek underneath. It's on a road, a back road, but it seems to be pretty busy. So, go figure. Guys, let's go ahead and get on the bigger camera. And I'll give my closing thoughts on the GoPro. Pretty much, yeah, pretty much kind of when we get done. Yeah, but you know what? I'm going to give you a shot now of us going through the bridge before we do that, okay? I got to get that when we leave anyway. So this is us going through the bridge. I'm hoping I'm getting this shot now, because I haven't done it yet. I am so off my game right now. Okay, guys, I should have got the bridge. I'll go ahead and put you in the car and get on the other camera. Then I give the closing thoughts when I get back to the car. Yeah. Cars coming through here, it seems like every 2 minutes. Why the hell is it so busy? I don't know. The covered bridge, I can't even pronounce the name of it. Well, anyway, this bridge was built in 1891. This bridge is 101 feet long. And I better get this shot quick. You wouldn't know it. Let's turn around a little bit. I'm on some beautiful back roads. You wouldn't know it. It's a busy little area. This bridge is 13 feet high. Actually looks higher than that, if you want to know the truth. Doesn't it look higher than that to you guys? And it is 13 feet wide. 13 feet high and 13 feet wide. Interesting. Let's go inside and let's get some more shots. We're going to hold the camera and I'm going to try to keep it as steady as I can. I'm also a little nervous about doing this because as busy as this little bridge is, if a car comes up, I ain't really got much room to stand off to the side. But as you can see, it is loaded with graffiti. Oh my word, is it ever. But it is quite beautiful, isn't it? Let's get the ceiling if we can. Oh my word. But it is loaded with graffiti. Now I have watched a lot of videos, and when we get down a little bit further, I want to look at something. Oh, wait a minute. Car coming? I will no longer be getting shots inside the bridge, guys. It's too dangerous. But here you go. Here's the side of the bridge and the beautiful creek down below. I do believe there's a trail. Maybe going down. Yep. Maybe I might go down. I'll tell you what, on the outside, it's quite beautiful. I also see a bunch of graffiti on the pillars down there too. What the heck is up with all the graffiti? You know, the last covered bridge we shot had no graffiti. All right, let's go underneath, guys. Oh, that is quite beautiful, isn't it? Oh man, let's get down there a little further. I am underneath the bridge and this is kind of cool, isn't it? Oh man, I like it underneath the bridge. At least it's safe. Well, safer. Even the rocks on the ground in front of the creeks got graffiti all over them. What the heck gives? Oh my word. Oh, what's up with the graffiti? I will never understand that. At least the creek is beautiful, isn't it? We're gonna do a pan. Oh wow. If you guys know what's up. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm trying to keep an eye on Kitt. He's giving Angie problems. He's all brand new today. But anyway, if you guys know what's up with all the graffiti on certain places, please let me know. I'll tell you what though, although there's a lot of graffiti on this bridge, but I'm on a rock and it's shaking back and forth, guys. But it sure is beautiful underneath. Holy. All right, I want to try to get some shots. I want to go inside, guys, and go further, but a car comes, there's no place for me to run. And when I was inside there a minute ago, Angie's like, I was halfway through and he's like, car coming. I literally had to run back because they're coming through there at a high rate of speed. It should be going that fast, but you know, what can you do? Within the last shot I just did in this shot, which was no more than about 5 seconds, 2 cars already went through. It is a busy little road out here. Now, all the videos I've seen, well, you know what? I'm going to hold off on that part until I get on the GoPro. But it is beautiful underneath here. There's my wife and my dogs. They look like they're cold. I am very thankful that she comes to some of these places with me. But look at these pillars, just loaded with graffiti, though. Oh my gosh. All right, let's get back up. Maybe I get a couple more shots of the bridge, and then we'll go to the GoPro. Better yet, let's go to the GoPro now. I have watched other YouTubers do this bridge, and the whole time they were there was no cars whatsoever. None. It is a, well, I guess, Kitt, is this safe to say it's a winter day? It's a very beginning of winter. It's a winter day, right before Christmas, obviously. And this place is busy. I can't figure it out. And now the thing about the graffiti, and yes, it blows my mind because we have a place on the docket that was hoping to get today, but there's rain in that area. Yeah, I can only get the place that's not raining, because that was what was planned for today, was somewhere that's a pretty good piece out. It's going to take us an hour and a half to get there, but it's loaded with graffiti too. Oh my word. I think this is the only covered bridge. Quote me if I'm wrong, Angie, but we've hit a lot of covered bridges. We've hit a lot of covered bridges in my videos. Right or wrong, guys. I think this might be the only one I'm thinking it has graffiti all over it. Oh my word. Oh my word. Let's get some GoPro shots of the covered bridge. Then we'll figure out what we're doing from there. We've been here now for about 20 minutes. And I think Angie counted up to 12 cars that's come through here in 20 minutes. There you go. Oh my word. So to see the full length of the bridge, you're going to have to just see it as I drive through it. And you've probably already seen that shot because I would have already put it in the video. It even looks like somebody down there went down below and got a lawn job. Oh, what is this, Party Central out here? I mean, this is where we come to party for teenagers? I mean, I'm standing right in the middle of the road. You would think as much traffic that comes through here, this wouldn't be a place to come and party. Ain't that right, Kitt? Well, as a YouTuber, as a videographer, you're going to have days like this that things will change once you get on the location. Now, from here, since I did not do this justice, yes, I'm telling you, I didn't do this bridge justice at all. But from here, we're gonna go explore and maybe find other things for future videos, or just go ahead and fire out the camera, which I should have worn my gloves, it's cold. Fire up the cameras and get something else. But guys, I already goofed this video up by not even being able to pronounce the damn name to it. But there you go. Let's look at the shot behind me. Beautiful covered bridge. But holy, this place is busy. All right, guys, till next time. Sorry about the, I did my best. That's all I can say. Until then, come on, let's get out of here. We're off to explore. Okay, I was standing here, putting my camera away. So another car starts coming through the bridge, and he stopped in the middle of it, and he started burning rubber. What the hell gives? All right, guys, if you're ever in my area and you want to come to see this bridge, please be careful. It's not safe. Not by any freaking means. And you would think it would be, being in the middle of nowhere, but it's not. All right, I'm going to get my camera, get my GoPro in the window, and I'm headed out here to look for something else, man. I'm done.